What's up, guys? It's your boy Kiamis Rockup Johnson here with another video. We got low. Jackie and Rachel are somewhere around here, and we had a battle game meet. Just started, but there's still a good amount of cars here and everything. So yeah, forgot that talking. Let's do it. Oh, okay.
So you guys know,
Alright.
so I just.
What
so
nigga?
yeah,
I'm trying to look at this car over here.
I just bought a drift car. Keep it up.
He's lying, just for the record.
Yeah.
But this bitch is mean. I like it though. Yeah, that's a nice drift car right there. It got the Hydra in there and everything.
Baltimore niggas car reviews.
Is that?
This Baltimore nigga car reviews.
Baltimore nigga car reviews. Yo, we should start that. Baltimore nigga car review. Oh, hi Rachel. Hi Jackie. How you doing? Damn, that's green as fuck. Okay. All right. Okay. Ooh. Okay. All right. We already know these gay ass cars over here. Battle Gang booth. You think you run?
I'll take it.
Hell yeah. Oh, okay. It's the fuck ass.
I can't beat him. He's too fast.
Hi. Fuck this car. It's beat me like twice. No, it hasn't. It beat me once. No, it didn't. It beat me twice. I admit it. It beat me. And Lowe's parked over there. I'm parked right there. We got my new vet right here though. This is of course the Z06 C6 LS7. So yeah, gay as shit. Get that shit out of here. Don't nobody give a fuck. Oh hey, Matt Parker over here. Look at that, Matt Parker. Wait a second. Hold up. Okay. All right. Cool. Oh, we got an RS over there too. But do you race though? Okay. As you can see, a lot more cars have shown up. Shit, okay. Alright, but are you fast though? Look like you might be, maybe, possibly, I don't know. Huh. Oh, look at that. Wait, I know this guy. I like this stuff. Huh. It's definitely a drift car. I mean, you all know this Subi and this big beautiful beast. Don't trust any nigga with a man bun, just for the record. He's stealing everybody's bitch. Well, attempting to, not mine. Oh, you don't see that a lot. Let's see. Oh, EcoBoost. Okay. I remember the Carlos EcoBoost before the bitch blew up. I'm not saying you're gonna blow up, buddy. I'm gonna just stop talking because I feel like I'm jinxing you. Oh, this makes me miss Ryan's car. Oh, RPF ones though. What the fuck is this thing?
Oh, it's a Honda Acme truck.
Them things are hard. Look at the teddy bears.
Steering wheel on it.
I want to drive it.
Look at the teddy bears.
Wow. Oh, it does have panda wheels. What the fuck? Oh shit.
I love them.
I don't think I've never seen no shit like this before. I swear.
Oh shit! Look, the whole bed folds down. Both sides fold down in the back. Does.
Oh shit! It does.
This is a perfect parts truck.
Yeah. Yo, what are all these cars coming out of nowhere? What the fuck is this? Yo, put in the comments what the fuck that is.
Hey!
What the fuck is that?
What? I thought it was Miata.
Oh shit! I missed him doing a trick. Whoops. Oh, okay. Hi ST1000. What is you looking at, bro? Just to give a scale of how big this dog is, this is Jackie, of course, and the dog is just pulling her along.
Yeah.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
He's walking to me right now.
He's walking. Ow, his tail is like a fucking whip. Oh, bitch! Oh, I didn't get it. Fuck. Oh well. Oh, all right, cool.
I have no finger strength. I can't pull. That's all hard. What do you mean? I can't hop high enough. What? Yeah, I can't bend it. That's why I couldn't pull up hard enough. Dude, I'm so happy I just got to ride my bike. Dude, I want to ride my bike now. I want to buy a bike.
No, only
I'll sell you a bike.
Someone's horny. Someone's horny. Okay. Okay. Alright, roll up in the V. Alright. Am I racist if I say that nigga sell drugs? Oh, it is?
Man.
Okay, yo, right now we're in a fucking dart. And I look and it was Ryan and shit.
It's a shit speaks dart.
A shit sweet dart.
I think it was 16-2 flat.
16-2, so that means the FRS.
Well, if I have a wind on the tail pushing the aerodynamics, yeah, 16-2 cake.
Okay. I hear you.
I'm here. It's a good thing.
You say you what?
I traded in the Evo and the GSX for this.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That ain't nothing but a killer right there. Ain't nothing but a killer.
This race is gonna be won by MPGs. Watch.
Some fucking truck.
What is that?
Okay.
What's going on there? Mexican tailgate?
I don't know what that is over there. Watch out, you got that bump down there. Do you run it though? I'm gonna guess no. Alright, so that's blurry and it's not blurry no more. So we about to head out because it's about to be one of the Mexico nights. So yeah, as always guys, stay classy, stay positive.
Hey. Hello.
Okay, and have a good day.